Let's try to look at how the standard toolbar in Microsoft Office Publisher works, or what exactly do really the standard toolbar means, or where it is located. So onto your computer, you'll go to Window button by clicking on your keyboard. This is the button that has this icon, or you can click straight here. When you click straight here, you will get the all apps in window 10. Then you will have to look for Microsoft Office, which has uh, the the combination of all these other applications embedded inside Microsoft Office. Then we shall open Microsoft Publisher. When we open Microsoft Publisher, we are prompted with the templates. These are templates. Then these are what we call also other templates, but in the format of drop down. You can either choose a label, greeting cards, gift certificate, brochures, banners, award certificate, advertisement, or a blank size document. Any of this may work, or it may apply on what exactly you need. Here I want to go and explore. We may either open a blank um, page size, or we may go and try to open maybe certificates, the one you choose. So here, if I choose, I'll be seeing the preview this other side. So upon getting a preview, then I can continue and pick exactly which type preferably I want. So upon this, you may choose maybe menu, or you want to design maybe a signpost. You may choose anything here that preferably may make uh, so upon the preview, double click it, you will get exactly what you want. So if you open it, the application, we want to explore the standard toolbar, but the standard toolbar mm, comes with other, or it comes when you open. Look, if I click here to alter, to make changes in my worksheet, then the standard toolbar will become active. If I don't click inside here, it means the standard toolbar will not be even visible. We just look at these other tools alone, but if I click here, then the standard toolbar will pop up. So in here, we want to look at the different pieces that can be explored on the standard toolbar. So we have the title body, the title, which font is exactly the title. You may choose maybe head 4. It's a little bit bigger, or clear format to have it in a normal way. Or more other formats could be here. For instance, if this machine is connected on internet, you can get a chance of seeing a lot of other items or titles in different sizes. Now you can go to font type. This is the font type. We can change the font type to something else. Uh, Here we are onto the toolbar. We are trying to explore a toolbar. You see that all these are different types of the font. You may choose the one that may work for you according to what exactly you will preferably want. Um, so in here, this is what we call our title. This is what we call our font type. So we have got the font type. Then we can look at the font size. You can look at the font size. You see, it has gone to the smallest. Still, you can either use here as the font size, or you can jump these other pieces. Then you come here. This also font resizing. You see, You either grow the font or you can reduce the font using these places or buttons. So uh, in here we have another element called boldness. You can either bold your work or make it a little more lighter. So for instance, we have Gothic. If you try to make it bold, here it can show the different changes. Uh, it can keep showing different changes according to the font that you have chosen to use. It depends on the font type that preferably you may have chosen to use. Then let's continue with italic, underline. Then you have alignment, either center alignment, right alignment, or just. Then here it's where we'll find the line spacing amid other items. For instance, you may have copy. So you may have this, and then you try to look at the spacing in between uh, our 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 work. So you can apply line spacing, then you specify before paragraph, and after you can keep the changes by using the icons, or still you can go and try to look at bullets in the different format. We have different bullets done differently. We have either numbers or these other bullets. You can look for more options to customize them by right clicking. Then we have what we call the indent. You can push it where you exactly want it. Then you can come back to save. All these are under the standard toolbar. They're under the standard toolbar. You can either open the previous pages. You can still come onto these other tools because we're exploring a toolbar, and you pick some other items that could be of help to you. Those that may be of help to you. So you may do whatever. Then you can print here. You can have the print preview, your spellings, then cut, um, contest, undo and redo the last option or the last items that you have done. Free rotate, you can rotate your item, or even using a freeform rotator. Then you rotate by using the coming onto the rotator, then the mouse changes to any other item or style, then you change the borders and others. So still the toolbar is very important uh, to many of us. Then still it is very important when it comes to designing and doing this and that in the form of trying to pick which element can as well help us clear, add titles, make the insert format and other stuffs. You can try whatever that may work for you in this format. You can change things by just picking the word art, then you can say okay. Then upon here you may try to twist it in any form that preferably may work for you. So you see, by just adding the garage sale, now you see the changes word art has brought in. So briefly, That's the power of the toolbar or the Microsoft Publisher toolbar, which is on the left side and on the top. All those are tools that can help us in building our logos, building our calendars, and making all that is needful. Briefly, we could, as for now, end here, but we could continue uh, checking on our channel for more of our different tutorials. Briefly, that is it for now when it comes to toolbars or on exploring a toolbar in Microsoft Publisher. Briefly, that is it. Thank you.